I had to do some work on my Golf GTI recently, and one of the issues I found once I put it back together was that the bonnet wouldn't open. What I found was there's a lot of information available online that says how to get into the car once the bonnet's locked and won't open, but there isn't anything really showing what the issue is as to why it happens in the first place. So what I just wanted to show you was the problem I found. It may not be the issue in all cases. There are 3 bolts that hold the locking mechanism in place, and underneath there is a rubber sheath or rubber holder that clips onto the bottom of the locking mechanism and actually holds the cable in place to keep it taut. So this rubber cover is, I'm just pointing it out with the screwdriver here, is at the back there, and that holds the wire cord that goes into the handle in the car so that the mechanism actually gets pulled. The important thing is, if this cover isn't in place and fitted to the bottom of the lock mechanism, it just means when you pull the cable just loops and doesn't actually tension correctly to actually open the lock. So that resolves the locking problem. If that is what's happened. Sometimes the lock will jam because it's got corroded, but in my instance it was actually the cover at the bottom that had come off.